Hello everyone. I am Abhilasha Nahata, your moral science teacher. So I hope you all are fit and fine and following all the instructions given by our government of the social distancing. So today we are going to start our moral science chapter. Education is not all about formulas and equations. It is all about the way it molds our soul and mind. One of the greatest philosophers, Aristotle, has said that knowledge without ethics is not so much bad ethics as imperfect knowledge. So, students, this is the cover book of your of your moral science book, Living Values, class 8. The students, whatever knowledge you accumulate, whatever degree you hold, either it is doctorate, either it is engineering, teaching, professor, scientist, etc. Whatever degree you hold, what matters always the most is how good human being you are. You will be always judged by your character or spirituality. So, what are the things or values which makes us good human being? These are honesty, loyalty, faith, love, care, trust, respect, etc. In our surrounding, we all learn some of these values from our parents, from our families, from our teachers, etc. But this book, this living values, it helps us to accumulate, to inculcate these things in ourselves. Moral value teaches us or helps us in building good and friendly relationship with people around you and will teach you how to behave in society. It helps you know what is right and wrong. It will teach you not to carry out any immoral behavior in yourself. It reflects an individual's character and spirituality, and in overall, moral value help in building good relationship in personal as well as professional lives. So students, today we will start with chapter 1 of your living value, that is an effective prayer. Before going further to this chapter, I would like to tell you why praying is important, why prayer is important. Prayer is an opportunity to spend time with God or nature. It is an opportunity to spend our qualitative time with the God, whatever God you believe in, whatever faith you have. So it is the time to we spend with our God, with the nature. It is the way to thank God for the beautiful life He gave to us. So prayer is the only way through which we can thank our God for whatever He gave to us. So start with this poem, An Effective Prayer. Father, I thank Thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light. In this line, Father is the term used for the God. The poet wants to thank God for the night and for the light, for the pleasant light. Here the word thee means you. In poem, it is the symbol, it is the way to use the word for the beautiful poetification. I thank thee for the night. He wants to thank for the night and for the pleasant morning light the God gave to us, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Now, poet wants to say, for rest and food and loving care, the rest, the way we rest ourselves, the way we care for other human beings and other living beings, the food he gave to us uh, through the help of agriculture, plants, animals, etc. The way he gave everything to us, which and our respective nature of loving and caring, which makes the world so fair. He wants to say our nature of loving and caring makes the world so beautiful and so gracious. Help me to do the things I should, to be to others kind and good. Now poet wants to say to God, thank you for always helping me. He wants to say thank you for always helping me to do the things I should. जो भी काम मुझे करने चाहिए वो काम करने के लिए मुझे आप हमेशा हेल्प करते हो. Thank you for all this. To be to others kind and good. To to be kind and to good, the quality I should have. You always help me to have these qualities in me. In all I do at work or play to grow more loving day by day. In all I do at work or play, whatever things I do at my workplace or whenever I play, it you always help me to grow more loving day by day. With so this is an effective prayer, and you all pray this at your school also. So I would like to recite this poem again to you. Father, I thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for the rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help me to do the things I should, to be to others kind and good. In all I do at work or play to grow more loving day by day. So this is an effective prayer, okay? And why we all pray for so if we want to summarize this poem, so what is a prayer and why we should pray? We should pray because it is a beautiful opportunity to spend time with our God, and it is the only way through which we thank our God for this beautiful life he gave to us. Thank you everybody. Take care of yourself.